Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download PayPal application on your Android device. PayPal is an American company operating as an online payment system in the majority of countries that supports online money transfers. PayPal is the faster, safer way to send money, make an online payment, receive money, or set up a merchant account. Let's get started. Go to your Play Store application and tap it open. In the search box at the top, type in PayPal and search. You'll be able to see the application displayed in the search result. Tap on the install button right next to it in order to begin the download process. The download may take a while depending upon your internet speed, so make sure to be connected to a strong internet while downloading any kind of an application on your mobile device. Once you downloaded and installed your device, tap it open, and there you have downloaded PayPal application on your Android device. If you don't have an account yet, you can start by tapping on the sign up option. If you already do, tap on the login button and get ready to log into your account. How to download PayPal application on your iPhone. In order to download PayPal application on your iPhone, first make sure you're connected to an internet. Once you have a strong internet connection, tap open your App Store and go to the search bar at the top of the screen and type in PayPal into the search box. Make your search, and soon you'll be able to find the application displayed on the search result. Tap on Get in order to download the application to your device. With the PayPal application, you can easily get paid back or send money to friends or families who have an account with PayPal. You can also check your activity, choose currencies to send around the world, and more. Wait for the application to download on your device. Once it is done with the downloading process, you'll be able to see an open button popping out right next to the app. Tap on the open button to launch your app open. How to sign up or create an account on PayPal. If you'd like to sign up for a PayPal account, start by opening up a web browser on your computer. You can also do this on your mobile devices with the PayPal application. In the address bar at the top, type in www.paypal.com and press enter. From the official website of PayPal, if you already have an account, you can click on this login link at the top right. Follow the instructions in order to log into your account, but if you don't have an account yet and you'd like to create one, click on sign up at the top right corner. On the next page, you can go ahead and choose the account type that you'd like to create. If you'd like to create an account for yourself, click on the personal account option, but if you'd like to open up PayPal for your business, then click on the second option. Since I'm doing this for my own, I'm going to choose this first option and click on the next button. Now, select your country or your region from the drop down. Once you do that, click Get Started. Type in a mobile number that you'd like to register with PayPal. Make sure that you have the access to the number and click on Next. Wait for a verification code to be sent to your mobile number that you just typed in. Once you receive the code, type it in into the text boxes. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to the next step. Now, here you'll need to set up your profile. So enter your information into the text boxes. First, start off by typing in an email address. While typing in an email address, make sure that it is the email address that you have an access to, since you'll be using this email in order to receive money. Now, into the first name text box, type in your first name. If available, type in the middle name on the next, and then type in the last name. Now create a password that you'd like to use for your account. Into the create a password text box, type it in correct, and then confirm your password by typing it again into the next text box. Make sure to repeat the same password that you just created. If both of the passwords into the text boxes matches, you'll be able to see this green tick mark at the right corner of each boxes. Now finally, after you're done, click Next. On the next page, enter your date of birth information. Type in your address into the address line 1. If available, type in an address into the line 2 option as well. If not, you can leave this box. Now, if you'd like to activate One Touch, simply click on this box right here. If not, leave it unchecked. Click on this next box to agree to the user's agreement and privacy statement of PayPal, and click on Agree and Create Account at the bottom. Now your account has been created. You can start shopping with PayPal by clicking on this Get Started button. If you'd like to send a payment, you can click on this next button under Send Payment. In order to shop on PayPal, you'll need to go ahead and link a card. Enter your credit card number into the first text box, and then select your card type. Type in the expiration date, enter the security code, and click on Link Card. And how to log into your PayPal account. Now let's get started. In the address bar at the top, type in www.paypal.com and press enter. From the official website of PayPal, you can go ahead and click on the login button to log into one of your accounts. But if you don't have one, you can click on the sign up button, follow the procedure, and register yourself to a new PayPal account. Once you click on the login button on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and enter your email address or your mobile number into the first text box that is associated with PayPal. In my case, I'm typing in my email. Now head over to the next field where it says enter your password and type in the password for your PayPal account. Make sure to type in the correct password every time you are trying to log into your account. You can also double check your password by clicking on the show link right beside your password box. In case you don't remember your password, click on forgot password link right below and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. Finally, after everything's typed in correct, click on the login button and you'll be logged into your PayPal account. With a PayPal account, you can shop online in more than 200 countries and regions. You can send money securely to your friends and family, set up an online shop and receive payments, and much more. If you'd like to log out of your PayPal account, you'll be able to see a logout option at the top right. Simply click that on and you'll be logged out of your PayPal account in no time. How to change your password for your PayPal account. Now let's get started. Open up your web browser. In the address bar, type in paypal.com and search. Once you end up in the home page of PayPal, in order to change your password, you'll need to go and click on this gear icon at the top right next to the notification button. Soon after you click on that, you'll land in your account page. From this page, go to the security option. Now, at the very top, right where it says password, go to the right hand side corner and you'll be able to see a button that says update. Click on that and on the next page you'll need to type in your current password for your account that you are using in the first text field. Double check your password by clicking on this small eye icon. Now type in the new password that you'd like to change to into the next text field and go to the next one. And in the last text box, repeat the password one more time. Make sure both of your passwords in these two boxes at the bottom matches. And finally, click on Change Password. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for your PayPal account. That way, you'll be able to secure your account enough. Even if someone already knows your password, they won't be able to get in now. How to change your name on PayPal. Start by opening up your web browser on your computer and go to paypal.com into the search box. Make sure you're logged into your account, and once you are, from the home page of PayPal, click on this gear button at the top right next to the logout button. Once you click on that, you'll be taken to the Accounts tab. At the very first, right next to your profile picture, you'll be able to see a link that says Change Name. Click it on. Now here, select the type of your name change. Since I'm trying to make a minor correction in my name while updating my name on PayPal account, I'm going to choose this last option. If you'd like to change your legal name, then you'll need to go ahead and click on this first link. If you want to update your name, then click on this next option. To correct and make minor changes, click on this last one. Now, type in your name again in the first text box. This time type in the correct spelling and then go to the next text box and type in your last name. Click on this box where it says I'd like to update my name and click on Update Name. And there you have successfully changed your display name on PayPal. Click on OK. Next time you visit your profile, you should see that your name has been changed. How to link a PayPal account to eBay. Linking your PayPal to your eBay account will allow you to pay for purchases you make on eBay. It also allows you to accept PayPal payments from your customers. Due to its high level of security, this payment method is really popular these days. Now let's get started. Start by opening up a web browser and go to ebay.com and press enter. Log into your eBay account and go to My eBay at the top right corner. And soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page. You might need to enter your password during the process. Simply type it in and get to this page. Once you reach to the activity page of My eBay, go to the Accounts tab at the top. Now, under Payment Information, click on Payments. If you have a PayPal account, you can easily click on this button right here that says Link My PayPal Account. But if you don't, you'll first need to register yourself for a new PayPal account. After clicking on the link, log into your PayPal account by entering the credentials. Type in your email and then your password and click on Login. Now, you're almost done linking your accounts. Click on Return to eBay, and with this, you've successfully linked your PayPal account to your eBay. How to reset your password for your PayPal account when you've forgotten it during the login process. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in www.paypal.com and enter. This will take you to the official website of PayPal. Click on the login button at the top right in order to go to your login area, and now type in your email address into the first text box. You can also type in your mobile number that is associated with the account. I've typed in my email address, so once you do that, go ahead and if you remember your password during the process, type it into the enter your password text field. But if you don't remember your password, click on this link right here that says forgot password. Now, if necessary, you'll need to type in your email address into the text box, but in my case, it's already typed in. So if it is already there, go ahead and confirm your email address by double checking it if everything's alright and click on next. Now, you'll receive a text message in your mobile number that is associated with the PayPal account. Click on next and wait for the security code to arrive. Once it arrives, type it in into the security code text field. After you're done, click continue. Once you do that, on the next page, you'll get to create a new password for yourself. Type in the password that you'd like to change to, and then confirm the password by typing it again. Make sure both of the passwords in the text boxes matches, and for your security purpose, you can click on this box right here that says log out of all devices. After you check on that, what happens is that all of the devices that were logged into your PayPal account would be logged out after you click on save. Once you do that, you'll be able to reset your password to a new one for PayPal. Now, the next time you log into your account, enter your password and make sure to enter the same password. How to close or delete your PayPal account. Now let's get started. Start off by opening up a web browser and logging into your PayPal account. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, go to the top right and click on this little gear icon. You'll be taken to your Accounts tab. From this page, go all the way down and you'll be able to see a link that says close your account. Click it on. If you'd like to close your account for sure, you can go ahead and click on close account. But before you close your PayPal account, be sure to remove any financial information, that is your card information or your bank account information, and all the pending payments will be automatically cancelled if you wish to delete your account. And if you'd like to close your account for real, then you'll need to be logged into your PayPal account with the website and not in the application version. Once you're sure you'd like to do it, click on close account, and your account now has been closed. If you'd like to use PayPal in the future, you'll need to go ahead and create a new one since you won't be able to revive the older PayPal account that you deleted. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.